Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will learn about nouns and what they are and five main types of nouns with simple and interesting examples. So let's begin. So first of all, we will learn about what is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. In simple words, it is a naming word. For examples, Ravi is my friend. Ravi is my friend. Here, Ravi is the person. We live in India. In India. Here, India is the place. She has a pen. Here, pen is the thing. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is the idea. So, in these examples, Ravi, India, pen, and honesty are the examples of noun. So now you know what a noun is. Let's now look at its type. Now understand the types of noun. Number one is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or organization. It always starts with a capital letter. For examples, Sachin is a great cricketer. Here, Sachin is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific person. Delhi is the capital of India. Here, Delhi is the specific place. Google is a big tech company. Google is a big tech company. Here, Google is the name of organization. In these examples, Sachin, Delhi, and Google is the example of proper noun. So let's move to the next type of noun. Next type of noun, we have common noun. A common noun is a journal name for a person, place, or thing. It does not refer to something specific. For examples, that boy is playing. Here, boy is common noun. She is a teacher. Here, teacher is a common noun. We went to the park. Here, park is the common place, so it is a common noun. So, in these examples, boy, teacher, and park is the examples of common noun. So, let's move to the next type. The next type we have collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, or things. It generally represents the group of people, animals, or things. For example, team of players, a flock of words, an army of soldiers. Here, team, flock, and army is the example of collective noun. The next type we have abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to something we cannot see or touch, like an idea, quality, or emotion. For examples, honesty is important. Honesty is important. Here, in this example, honesty we cannot see or touch, we can only feel. Love is powerful. He showed great courage. Here, love and courage is abstract noun. So let's move to the next type. Next type of noun is material noun. A material noun is the name of a substance or material used to make things. Let's understand with the help of examples. The ring is made of gold. The chair is made of wood. We drink water. Here, in these examples, gold, wood, and water is a material noun. So, material noun is nothing but a name of substance or material used to make things. So, friends, I hope you have understood the concept of nouns and their types clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more such grammar videos.